Install Red Hat Linux on virtual machine. First, select to File to make new virtual machine. Select typical options. Next, select I will install the operating system later. Next, select Linux. Select the options Red Hat Linux 6. Now next, and put up the name Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6. Next, next, and if you need to customize the hardwares, so select the memories and select the options how much you give your memory. Now finished. Now after select CD-ROM, select the ISO file, browse, select desktop icon, select Red Hat Linux ISO from desktop. Now open. Now OK, and finally power on this virtual machine. Now welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6.0. Here the options: install or upgrade an existing system, install system with basic video drivers, rescue installation system, boot from local drive, and memory test. Because first time to install this operating system, you don't have any existing operating system, so first you select install and upgrade the operating system. Now no need to check the media, so select escape options. Now Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6 first screen is appear. Now go to next, select the language options. Next, select language. What type of device will your installation involve? Normally one is basic storage device, another is a specialized storage device. Basic storage device means in your computers either we use SATA hard drive or IDE hard drive. If you use SAN device, ISKG device, and any kind of storage, then you select the specialized storage device. But right now in my computers where I can use IDE controller or SATA controller, so now default select these options, basic storage device. Now next, reinitialize all. This is my localhost.local domain. This is my default host name. Now go to next. Now select the time zone. Either we select from here, Kolkata, Asia. Now select next. You must be put up the root password. The root password is like admin password, administrative password used in Windows environment, root password used in Linux environment. Now go to next. Password is different, so please put up again. The password is Red Hat, at least 6 character long password you must be put up. So now next, select use anyway because this is your weak password. Now here are the options. Which type of installations would you like? Use all space, replace existing Linux, shrink current system, use free space, current system layout, use all space, remove all partitions on the selected device. This include partitions created by other operating system, replace existing Linux system, remove only Linux partitions created from the previous Linux installations. This does not remove other partitions you may have to your storage device such as virtual FAT or FAT32, or it may be NTFS. Third one is shrink current system. Shrink existing partitions to create free space for the default layout. Use free space and create custom layout. So now I select the create custom layout. Now go to next. Now if installing Linux, you must be create root partitions, boot partitions and swap partitions. So first I create root partitions from standard partitions. Now create. Now select the root options. This is my default mount point is root ext54. This is my file system. Now put up the hard disk space. Now okay, then I select create. Another partition is called boot partitions. So boot partitions, you must select this from here, boot partitions, and put up here 500 MB for boot partitions. Now okay, now create a standard partitions. Now other partition is called swap partitions. You must be put up double of RAM space. So now 2000. Now okay, and after that next select the format first, create change to disk. This is my Red Hat Enterprise Linux, stored in STS2. So must next. Basic server, database server, web server, virtual host, desktop. So you can select desktop options. If you select the customize options, now go to next. If you need to install additional packages, so you must be select from here depending on your requirement. Now I'm using as a desktop, so just I simply select desktop. Now go to the next. Congratulations, your Red Hat Enterprise Linux installation is complete. Please reboot to use the install system. So now reboot. Welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6. Forward. Yes, I agree to license agreement and put up the username. This is your default administrator. Confirm the password. Forward. Yes. Forward. Now finish your Red Hat Linux installation.